Introducing the 2024 Volkswagen Golf Rline. 1.5 TSI 130 horsepower, 5-door in striking yellow. This stylish estate boasts a 1.5 litre petrol engine, manual transmission, and a range of top-notch features, including air conditioning, cruise control, wireless charging, lane departure warning, and much more. With ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking, safety is paramount. Plus, enjoy the privacy glass and spoiler for added style. Rest assured with a full health check, manufacturer servicing, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this incredible vehicle. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details today.